Next up is the 7th dish for Christmas. 7. Gingerbread Cookies Introduction, a signature holiday cookie with a warm, spicy flavor profile of ginger and cinnamon, often cut into figures gingerbread men or used to decorate gingerbread houses. Ingredients: preparation: all-purpose flour, 300 grams unsalted butter, 100 grams brown sugar, 1 OOG molasses or honey, 80 grams egg, 1 seasoning: ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground clove, nutmeg, baking soda. Step-by-step instructions: cream the softened butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Mix in the molasses and egg. Sift and whisk the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, spices, and gradually add them to the wet mixture, mixing until a cohesive dough forms. Wrap the dough tightly and chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Roll the dough out to about 5 millimeters thickness and cut using Christmas-themed cutters gingerbread man treat. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes depending on thickness. Presentation and serving: decorate with royal icing made from egg white and powdered sugar to draw eyes, buttons, or other festive details. Notes: chilling the dough is essential to prevent the cookies from spreading and losing their shape during baking. Please see the 8th recipe below.